my lord, that there is some report, my lord, because our difficulty was we entered on the 5th day. And thereafter, my lord, before that, my lord, whatever was collected by the local police, my lord, we were given. And our investigation starts, my lord, that is itself a challenge by itself, my lord, because the scene of offense is altered. Everything is, my lord, even the...
So everything is videographed. Nothing is altered. Everything is videographed.
My lord, without knowing anything, Mr.
Postmortem is videographed.
Yes, rest is not
Crime is not videographed because the crime is.
The seizure memo is there, mother. Seizure memo is there.
9 o'clock, the crime is detected.
Seizure memo is there, mother.
Not
Seizure
the
memo
most
is there.
shocking fact. I am not making this, Mr. Sibal is
that is also
little
videographed.
combative mood. The most shocking fact. The FIR is registered after cremation at 11:45 night.
The investigation.
First, the parents are informed that she is not well by the deputy superintendent. When they reach, they say that she has committed a suicide. Thereafter, they say that it appears to be a death. Fortunately, the young doctors, the colleagues of this deceased girl, victim, they insisted that we want videography, we want this. This is suggestive that even they were suspecting some cover-up. So they were also trying their best.
Well, let's just see the medical examination.
Yes, your lordship.
Lord's postmortem was done in the same hospital.
I don't.
So that may be.
Postmortem was also done in the same.
I don't want. This is entirely accusatory. I don't want to contradict my learned friend, but the record will show what happened.
GD entry in regard to the unnatural death is recorded at 10:10 in the morning.
That's correct.
Right? So
Right.
at 10:10, the police station, in this case, the
Tala police station.
Tala PS is informed at 10:10 that there's an unnatural death.
Yes.
Notwithstanding all this, the securing of the crime scene and the seizure and everything takes place at 11 o'clock, 11:30 in the night.
No. Well, that's why I've got timelines. Well, this is a bit unfortunate. I'll just give you the timeline. Exactly.
What were you doing up to
Well,
then?
kindly, I have given minute by minute what happened, Mullahs. We have a timeline prepared for your lordships, Mullahs. And it's backed by videography. It's not, Mullahs, something that we are saying.
Can I be shared with the timeline?
Yes, we'll share it. I wish you had asked, shared what you passed on to the
We don't have to ask. You have to give it to CBI.
Doesn't
We
matter.
were on
I
the
don't have
ground.
to request.
My lords, could we be
You are
shared
bound
the
to give
timeline?
everything
given
to
it
the
yourself.
CBI. You have not given.
As per the autopsy report,
Yes.
the autopsy was conducted in the evening hours of 9.
No. On 9th.
On 9th?
On 9th.
9th August.
Yes.
Now, the GD entry
Yes.
of unnatural death case was recorded on 23:30 hours on 9th. That is 11:30.
No,
Now,
that's for the FIR. FIR. UD case was in the morning, Mullahs.
But then
1:47
as
p.m.
per the report submitted to us.
No, that's why I have the timeline, Mullahs. It's better, your lordship. I'll give it to my lord.
23 is the FIR.
1 second, allow me.
Is right.
The scene of crime, including inquest, seizures, and autopsy, were carried out mentioning the GD entry number 542 dated 9/8/2024. Now, this GD entry was made
And 861.
and it's case number 861.
Mullahs, may I, with your lordship's permission, Mullahs, allow me to place the timeline before your lordship, given minute by minute as to what happened. And Mullahs, if there is, kindly hold on. Just give it to my lord, please.
Mr. Sibal,
Yeah.
just tell us from your record at what time the postmortem was performed.
Yes. I tell your lordship.
From your record.
Yes.
That is for the time being
6:10 to 7:10 p.m.
in the evening,
Yes.
correct?
Correct.
When you are taking the dead body
Yes.
for the purpose of performing postmortem,
Yes.
is it a case of unnatural death or not? If it is not a case of unnatural death, why do you have to perform the postmortem? This
is a case.
Just so that
Sorry.
you can respond to it.
Sorry.
There are so many questions.
Yes,
that
I'm of
coming in
course.
our mind.
Right.
And we have the best of the assistance
Yes.
in your form. When you start performing the postmortem, that means it is a case of unnatural death.
No doubt about it.
Postmortem starts at 18:10 hours.
Yes.
It comes to an end at 19:10 hours.
Yes.
What was the idea in registering UD at 23:30 hours.
That's the FIR, Malad. That's not the UD.
No, sir. No, sir.
Malad, I've just.
Just listen to
I'm
us.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Either you are right
No, no.
or
No,
what
it was FIR. FIR
We have
was-
to answer your lordship's question, Malad, without interference, please.
Well, you can.
No. Just
Yes,
one
certainly.
clarification.
Certainly.
The records reveal,
Yes,
subject to what you have to further point out to us.
correct.
UD case number 861 of 24 of police station Tala
Yes.
was registered at 23:30 hours on 9th August 2024. V-Day GD entry number 576 and the FIR number 52 of 2024 was registered at 23:45 hours. Is this record correct?
Malad, may I therefore point out to your lordship, just take the timeline. We've referred everything in
So
it.
according to your record, the UD was registered at what times?
1:45 PM.
1:45?
PM.
No, that's not true.
That 1:45 PM.
How do we reconcile the two records?
Malad, I'll show that to your lordship.
Because we today have a report
Malad, but that I'm saying, Malad.
which indicates that this is the time. So therefore, it's very surprising. Post-mortem precedes registration of UD.
No, Malad, this is what I'm told, Malad, and I can only
Is
respond.
someone responsible there to assist?
Yes, certainly, Malad.
If any officer is present, you may
Yes.
speak to him and tell us.
What is it?
Because if this is the fact, then it is something very dangerous.
I agree with, I agree. Let me just, Malad, the officer is here.
Please.
I may beg my lords to point out one thing.
One-
The
one-
postmortem
Just a minute.
report-
Just a minute,
Just a
first
minute,
let
please.
him ascertain.
Unnatural death entry and
Tell him to make a responsible statement. He should not make a rash
Of
statement.
course not, Malad. No
Tell
question.
him.
No question about it. Malad, kindly see page 4 of the diary.
I thought this is.
What time is this?
Can I have a timeline, please?
Hold on. I've
No,
not
no,
even
you-
handed it to the.
You have not given. I have been requesting since.
I don't know why you are interfering, sir. I've not even given it to the court.
Just a minute, just a
You
minute.
have.
Allow
given.
me to answer the court, please.
There are 3-4 questions. which
Yes, Malad,
you would
we'll
like-
answer each one, Malad. And we can't, Malad, we have to make sure that what we say is right, Malad. So what time is this? Hmm. Yes. Malad, yes, kindly see, Malad. Kindly see page 4 of what? Of the case diary. It will give some indication as to what happened. Malad.
Thought.
Yes, it says, Malad, that
UD case number 861 of 24 was registered at what hours?
1:45.
From where do you get this?
It mentions, Malad.
From where do you get?
Just trying to show. Make sure that. Date,
That's common, that's common.
Don't you be careful in the statement.
It's all right, as long as we get the correct answer,
Correct.
no problem.
Our reports are based on the case diary they have given to us.
Just a minute, Mr. Solicitor General. They are expected to reply to our question. Why take so much of time? Just show the time on the document, that's all. All that you need to do is refer to that document and tell us at what time UD, again I am repeating, 861 of 24 was registered.
Yes.
Has to be in the case diary.
To show it, the UD case document is here. We can't possibly, my lord is asking. Hard copy
आपके पास भी है
हर कॉपी में
You'll don't do
नहीं
it.
नहीं
suggest something.
Yes,
When we take up this matter on the next date,
yes,
keep a responsible police officer
yes,
present here
yes, yes, absolutely.
who had done or who had carried out all this
Yes,
exercise.
certainly, we'll do that.
He should be able to tell us.
Yes, yes.
Till this point of time, we have not got the answer. What time it was registered?
No, my lord is right.
But what time is this?
No, the question is time.
Mr. Sibal,
Maharaj, kindly see, quite frankly, Maharaj, I'll have to construct this for your lordship. Maharaj. For example, I mean, page 2 of the case diary, the UD case, requisition of the magistrate for inquiry. Just Maharaj, kindly see requisition
Sharma,
for inquiry.
can you tell us at what time the inquest Panchnama was drawn?
Yes, we'll just tell you that. That also we have in a timeline.
4:20 p.m.
20 to 40 p.m.
4:20
to
4:40 p.m. And now the record reveals the report which we have in our hand that UD was registered after the inquest Panchnama, after the postmortem.
That was made before the judicial magistrate to carry out the inquest mentions
Mention the UD.
But that's page number 2 of the case diary.
That's what we were going to point out.
Now, Mr. Solicitor General,
Yes,
has the CBI collected the record which is available to them?
yes,
They have collected it?
we have collected.
Is any officer present today?
Yes,
Who is it?
the Joint Director, CBI, my lord.
Ma'am, you have understood our question. Come to page 12 of your report which has been tendered today. Read para 10 in your mind, Page 12. Tell us, is this record correct? Is this correct?
Yes, sir. It's
Correct.
based on the documents given to us by the Kolkata.
Why are they showing us some different time? Which is the document they are referring to?
Sir,
Case diary, I have it with me.
Case diary.
sir, this is based on the GD entries and the documents given to us by the
Correct.
Kolkata Police.
But look at the time which you have stated.
It's there, sir, in the GD entries, sir.
Can you show us?
Of it.
Can you show us?
Yes, sir.
I'll
Xerox copy, yes.
I'll just put a mark in my lord passing.
They are mentioning the GD of what happened in the entire day, Malaj. If your lordship that look at page 2, Malaj, page 2, it says the application made to the magistrate with the GD and where the UD entry is already mentioned.
You may be right, Mr. Sibal. This is something which even the criminal procedure code doesn't prescribe.
Yes, exactly.
The entire procedure
Yeah.
which has been followed by your police,
Yes.
police of the state, it is something which at least I have not come across
Yes.
in 30 years of my.
I know. Right. I appreciate it. But Manoj, the facts must be before your lordship's mind. That's the important thing. The real
The
fact.
first thing we want to confirm is,
Yes.
is it true that the UD case was registered at 23:30 hours and that the postmortem and everything preceded the registration of the UD?
No, Manoj.
We'll have to answer.
Yes, please, Manoj.
Second question to
Yeah.
you, Mr. Sibal.
The second question.
Who is this assistant superintendent non-medical? Who is this person? Is this assistant superintendent a male or a female?
I believe it's a female, but I just make sure. Female.
Her conduct is also very, very doubtful. Why did she act in this manner?
I can't possibly. Manoj, that's number 2.
It's all right. It's all right.
Oh, kindly pardon me, this is the one copy my lord we have. I have marked on the side flapping is on the right hand side, my lord. First page.
Well, I've got the entire sequence here. The entry 542 is at 10:10 a.m.
Well, I have the, if your lordship don't mind, Malad, I mean,
No, I've got your documents. I'm looking at it from your documents.
yes,
GD entry, it says 5:42, 10 a.m.
yes,
Says received information over the telephone
yes,
from Ajikor MCH Police Outpost that a lady of PG trainee of so-and-so MCH was found lying in unconscious state at seminar room of chest medicine department of third floor of emergency building in half-naked condition. Accordingly informed so-and-so officer in charge and under his order,
yes.
leaving PS with lady police and force for causing inquiry. This is at 10 a.m.
Correct.
Just allow me to intervene.
Now, one second.
The doctors are saying unconscious, though she was already dead.
1 second.
You
Now, this
don't
is-
need to
this
be a
is
doctor
one
to
second.
understand.
This is 5:42.
Yes.
Now, next is 5:76. Now,
Yes,
5:76 is extremely important. After PM examination over, the dead body of the deceased, the board verbally opined that the death of the deceased was due to the effect of manual strangulation associated with smothering, ante-mortem, and homicidal in nature.
Correct.
Also verbally opined that medical evidence of forceful penetration stroke insertion in her genitalia, possibility of sexual assault. They say possibility. Accordingly, PO has been cordoned under proper guard. Also, several witnesses were examined and the statement was recorded, consulted CCTV footages in and around the vicinity of the PO.
Yes.
One thing, therefore, which is very clear is that the cordoning off and the preservation of the crime scene takes place after the post-mortem report is conducted. This is what the GD entry itself says. So first, the PM takes place between 6 and 7 in the evening, after which they start cordoning off the crime scene. Now just go forward. Experts of SFL, WB, have visited the spot under their direction and able guidance. Incriminating articles and documents were seized under videography in proper seizure list after observing all legal formalities. White seizure list dated 9th August. Dog squad also arrived on the spot. On the basis of the prayer of investigating agency, learned judicial magistrate conducted inquest over the dead body of the deceased under videography after observing all legal formalities. Accordingly, PM examination was conducted by the Board of Autopsy Surgeons consisting of 3 members under videography over the dead body of the deceased and declared her dead body on 9th August at about 12:44 hours. Meanwhile, so-and-so homicide, officers of homicide section, women grievance cell, scientific wing, so-and-so photography, it was learned that the door of the seminar room was in open condition. Then 5:76. On perusal, 1 blue-colored jeans, etc., found in incriminating articles were found on the mattress, beneath the mattress on the dais. Accordingly, some people were examined. They will not read out her name, which appears immediately thereafter. Accordingly, on-duty RMO of so-and-so examined, found that one lady was lying on her back on a mattress kept on the wooden dais inside the said seminar room in unconscious and motionless condition. She was examined in presence of lady police personnel and found some injuries on her private parts and other parts of her body. Also found that she wore whatever. After return to PS under order of OC, and UD case has been registered. Vide Tala UD case number 9th August.
So this is now it is
Now it's very clear.
confirmed that it was
No.
23:30.
Page number 2. Just see page number
No, but
2.
this is the case diary.
No,
It shows that the UD case is registered
No, that's
after he returns to the police station.
I don't want to contradict. Let's kindly see page 2
Okay,
of the case diary.
these are their documents.
Yes. As given to us.
We'll part with you for 2
And
minutes.
after return to the police station, the seized articles were kept in Malkhana, white MK number 52 of.
Before that, your lordship may see the last page of this.
Would my lord,
Last but one.
may I pleading with your lordship? Look at page
Second last, my lord. After return to PS under order of
Okay, that we have seen.
UD case has been registered. My lord, that
Yes,
is at
sir.
2030.
Make us understand this. The circle portion. What is this?
Malad, when he comes back, he records the entire incident and then Malad repeats that. But
Oh, Mr. Sibal, oh, sorry, we can't accept this explanation.
page 2 in the diary itself, Malad, kindly have a look at page 2 if you don't mind, Malad, please.
So what is this? He has recorded minutes? The entire day's proceedings?
He has to, Malad. He has
Why has he mentioned this 23, 32 hours, 33, 30
because
hours?
he's come back at that time, Malad. At the police station at that time, Malad. He therefore recorded it. Malad, there's a lot of